The battle is lost. Your honor is shattered. In ancient Japan, a samurai's life ends when his sword breaks. Option 1. Run. Save your life, but live as a ghost. A coward forgotten by history. Forever. Option 2. Seppuku. A painful end. But your family's name remains untainted for generations. Option 3. Become a ronin. A masterless warrior. No home, no honor, just a blade for hire. Did you know? Many samurai actually chose the path of the masterless wolf to find a new. What would you choose? Honor or life? Comment your path below and subscribe for more epic stories.